Today we are going to talk about something that many of my patients who come to me in the clinic ask me about. So we will talk about doing keto or low carb diet during menopause, perimenopause and during menstrual cycle. So if you are someone or you know someone who is doing low carb keto but not getting the required results, share this video with them and watch the video till the end because we will be sharing a diet plan for guaranteed weight loss. So watch till the end. Dr. Asma, before I turned 40, I could lose weight easily. But now even low carb or keto diet is not helping, especially after 38 because I am now perimenopausal nearing menopause or even before periods because at that time the cravings suddenly increase. Chocolate cravings, carb cravings, constant hunger and stubborn belly fat. These are the questions most of my patients around 40 years ask me in the clinic. And many women start blaming themselves. But here's the truth. Your hormones and metabolism are changing. And honestly, this is extremely common. During perimenopause, hormones begin to fluctuate. Estrogen goes up and down, progesterone changes, sleep gets disturbed, stress hormones can increase, and the body can slowly shift into fat storage mode. That's why sometimes your younger sister may lose 20 kgs while you are struggling to lose even 3 kgs. And then people say,
You gain weight if you just sniff air.
But another important thing, if you are doing extremely strict keto, surviving only on butter, coffee, cheese and tea, sometimes the body starts feeling stressed, especially in women after 40. Women are not small men. Female hormones are very sensitive and intelligent. And the hunger before periods, that is real too. Modern science actually shows that before menstruation, the metabolic rate slightly increases. The body naturally asks for more energy. That's why cravings for chocolate, sweets, comfort foods and carbs can become much stronger. So please don't feel guilty. Now let's talk about what actually helps. First of all, increase your protein intake. That is extremely important. You need eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, bone broth. Protein becomes much more important after 40 because women naturally start losing muscle mass. And muscle is one of the biggest fat burning organs of the body. Second is sleep. Poor sleep can completely slow down fat loss. If you are sleeping very late at night, stressed all day and running on cortisol, the body will hold on to fat, especially belly fat. And third is minerals. Many women become deficient in magnesium and electrolytes. That can increase cravings, anxiety, poor sleep, fatigue, constipation and headaches. That is why in our clinic we often support women with magnesium glycinate because magnesium glycinate is the most absorbable form of magnesium. NAC, that is N-acetylcysteine and coenzyme Q10. Especially women struggling with fatigue, low energy, slow metabolism, insulin resistance and hormonal stresses, which play a very big role in weight loss. NAC may help support insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Coenzyme Q10, which naturally starts declining after 40, supports cellular energy and mitochondrial health. And our hormonal balance T is specially designed to support women dealing with menopausal hormonal fluctuations, stress, hot flashes, fatigue, cravings, and emotional ups and downs, using traditional herbs and natural support. And honestly, many women after 40 do better with high protein, moderate to low carb, proper sleep, stress reduction and strength training instead of starving themselves. So if you have watched this far, it means you like videos like these. So subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it so you are notified whenever we upload such videos. Then comment below what is your biggest struggle during menopause or before periods. Is it cravings, fatigue, belly fat, mood swings or poor sleep? I genuinely read all your comments, and when women share their experiences, other women realize I am not alone. And please share this video with your mother, sister, friends, colleagues and aunts because so many women silently struggle with these changes and think something is wrong with them. And one last important thing, the goal after 40 is not just to become skinny. The real goal is healthy metabolism, strong muscles, and stable mood with good sleep, low inflammation, and healthy aging. That is the real wellness. Now let me share a simple generalized diet and lifestyle plan for perimenopausal women. You can take snapshots of all of these breakfast, lunch and dinner diet plans and you can modify them according to your own individual needs. It is impossible to share a diet plan that is accurate for any type of menopausal or perimenopausal woman because every person has their own individual needs based on their lifestyle, activity and age. That's why I shared a generalized diet plan and the supplements that might be required at this age. But if you want a customized diet plan, feel free to contact me on the given number. Especially if you have already tried the high protein diet plan and the supplements that I have mentioned and still your weight is stuck and the needle is not budging. So this situation obviously means you need a proper dietary consultation. So take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.